Peace, love, and light. Info at healingthroughinspiration.com. Send us a consultation. DM us on Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe. Business course in the description. Artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. As well as our apparel. Fellas out, we're not just talking, we actually living it. Finishing up on this hair thing. On this dry fast. 9 days, literally. Almost done. Unraveling my hair. Get myself cool. Can't drink water. Can't eat food. So that'll make more sense in other videos if you see me doing that. My body is working itself. Can't wait to tell y'all about this one when I get a chance. Have more energy. Right there in the day, I just got angry. There's some stuff that happened in the past. Remember her back? My biological father, this junkie, used to use a child just so he could use money to go spend it on gambling, lottery addiction, lottery tickets. And this motherfucker here owed me money for the longest, never paid me back when he wanted it. The amount of disrespect he had for his own son, biological son. And I'll never forget, he's bursting to my room, I was getting dressed, had the money and just threw it down and turned around and left without saying a single thing. That was when he owed me. Any money he ever owed to me, he wanted from me, I handed it to him. But one time he has to pay me back because he didn't pay me back all the time. He barges in while I'm in my room. And he just throws it down on my bed, turns around, don't even look at it, and leaves. How utter disrespectful can you do that to a freaking child, your own freaking son? And you know what, too? I told that to his wife. And you know what? She said, he did that? That bitch knew who the frick he was. That bitch knew who the frick he was. That ain't no freaking secret. He don't give a frick about nothing but his motherfucking self. And the same way with that bitch. I've been doing a lot of detoxing and thinking. And I haven't been really able to speak because my body's been healing. It feels soothing as I express that. Because I was there for a reason. So I tell you, fasting is not just for losing weight. It's the detox of the mind. Detox of the mind. Thinking about watermelon. Getting some apples. So I got something to juice when I do break my fast. Oh. Oh, it feels so fresh. Keep my body cool. Making sure I didn't miss any spots. Oh. Stomach growling. Harder. I don't know, maybe I only passed gas like 4 times. Whole 10 days. Ridiculous. Ugh. Ugh. Guys, on a book a consultation, DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Our work, go to the book, the courses, Healing Through Inspiration, healingthroughinspiration.com. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, share. We're doing a lot of work right now. I'm going 10 days, 9 days right now without eating food, any water. I haven't drinking anything. And I'm providing this for y'all. Please just show love. That's all I'm asking, man. Peace, love, and light.